Hi everyone, how are you doing? It's Rue here today. Today I'm going to be showing you a very sophisticated updo. It's a formal updo. I did this hairstyle on my girlfriend for her wedding and she of course loved it. So this hairstyle is going to be perfect for any formal event that you might have, a wedding, if you're bridesmaids, you can definitely pull it off. Basically anywhere where you have to wear formal attire. So I have already started off by curling this little section right here. And I'm letting it set with this alligator clip. But what I'm using is this curling iron with a 1.5 inch or 1.25 inch barrel, so it's kind of thick. And the barrel's already really hot, so I'm not going to leave it on for a very long time. So I'm taking a pretty big section, like a pretty big chunk of hair, because I don't want it to be too tight. Trying to be really careful to not burn myself. I always manage to burn myself when I'm using this curling iron. Okay. And then I'm gonna set that with some clips. Okay, so I'm done on this side. I'm gonna start again on this side right here. I'm gonna make sure that the curls are definitely even. So I've taken out the alligator clips on this side. Look how bouncy. And I'm just gonna wait a couple seconds for this side to cool and then I'll take these out too. Let's do it. Ooh. All right. Okay, and then I'm going to separate my head, my whole head, into 3 sections. So I'm gonna take a section of hair on this side and then a section of hair on this side. So starting from here, and then put this back. Same thing on this side. So basically this part, the middle part, is gonna be my ponytail. I'm gonna tie my hair in a low ponytail and it's gonna be a little bit loose. It's not gonna be very tight. And then I'm braiding this ponytail that I've got right here. Just gonna braid it all the way until the end. And I'm tying it off with a clear elastic. I'm going to twirl this braid around up until the end reaches the nape of my neck, essentially making a braided bun. And I'm going to just secure this bun with some bobby pins. And then I'm going to take this section of hair right here on my left and I'm going to create a twisted rope braid. And then to top it off with a cute little bridal comb. Thank you so much again for watching this video, and I really hope that you learned something. If you liked this video, please give that thumbs up, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care, bye.